TMC leader and former Chief Minister Mukul Sangma has at this time targeted the Conrad Sangma-led MDA government over the issue of security in the Hill State. Well, Sangma reiterated that militant movement continues in Meghalaya even as some of the groups are trying to reorganize. Not just this, Sangma termed illegal mining of coal and other minerals as one of the major sources of funding for these groups. Listen in.
It will always be important for us not to divulge everything all the time. But then the fact is that the activities and movements are on. Okay, it's as simple as that. And another thing, on the issue of the forces who are attempting to again reorganize such anti-government forces, the government has to be alert in identifying all the possible sources of fund. Okay. Now, the possible sources of fund which can be easily accessible to these anti-national forces are from various illegal activities. Number one, illegal mining activities. These illegal activities will be the areas of sources of fund.
Mukul Sangma also claimed that he has cautioned the government on multiple occasions about the internal security situation.
I have cautioned the government. In fact, in the last State Security Commission meeting, this whole thing was discussed. These internal security related issues pertaining to a state and pertaining to a nation is of paramount importance for any government of the day to take cognizance of things that is happening. You have to always ensure that you are not deprived of the information that is so crucial for you to know what is happening across the state in as far as the law and order and other related activities pertaining to insurgent activities and any activity which is designed by any anti-national forces. Therefore, we aggregate our information and look at how best we can utilize our resources that is vested with the state. Because the State Security Commission also looked at, is duty bound to look at as per the mandate of the law.
And significantly, Mukul Sangma alleged that rampant illegal coal mining activities are underway in Meghalaya. And this illegal coal mining, he said, provides uninterrupted supply of funds to the insurgent groups besides the forces trying to form new outfits. The senior TMC leader said that the Conrad Sangma-led state government should ensure that illegal coal mining and illegal mining of other minerals are stopped immediately.
Please remember that we have inputs suggesting that the illegal coal mining activities are still going on. If illegal coal mining activities are still going on in the state, these areas will be providing uninterrupted source of fund to these insurgent groups and any of the forces who are trying to float a new outfit, which should be understood by the government, and therefore the government should take all measures to ensure that illegalities, particularly illegal coal mining and illegal minings pertaining to other minerals in the state, are stopped forthwith.